Hello, I am Dr. Seema Singh and I'm excited to present Dostbin, a sustainable climate tech solution that tackles the problem of wet waste mismanagement at the source. Our journey began with a simple yet powerful goal to enable every Indian household to manage its own kitchen waste cleanly, efficiently, and without odor. During our incubation, we built and refined five working prototypes, finalized our product design in 2022, and filed the intellectual property in 2023. Today, Dostbin has reached 20 active units across B2C and institutional segment. India generates over 1.75 lakh tons of wet waste every day. A large share ends up in landfills producing methane, a gas 84 times more harmful than carbon dioxide. Traditional composting is messy, foul smelling, and often abandoned midway. Dostbin solves this. It is a dual stage aerobic home composter that is compact, odor free, maggot free, and beautifully designed for urban spaces. Our customer loves that it is hassle free, clean, and give them usable compost in just 14 days. Just 16 households using Dostbin can divert 3 tons of wet waste per year, create over 1 tons of compost, and avoid 7.5 tons of carbon dioxide emissions annually. That is equivalent to driving 90,000 kilometers in a petrol car or planting 375 trees, all from just one bin. Our design prevents leachate mess, allows easy draining, and uses no electricity. Each bin can also be shared by 3 to 4 homes to make it cost effective. For manual variant, we don't have electricity, but our automatic variant uses less than 5 units of electricity per month. Feedback has been phenomenal. Customers tell us that finally composting is a lifestyle, not a burden. But our real edge lies in measurable climate impact. Each Dostbin unit prevents 60 to 70 kg carbon dioxide per month, generating zero point 0.7 to zero point 0.9 voluntary carbon credits per month. That's around 7.5 credits per year, which is valued around 13 to 28,000 in carbon market. Our team blend engineering, innovation, and grassroots insight. I bring leadership in sustainability and innovation management. I have spent over 10 years refining product mechanics and waste flow dynamics. We are mentored by Elevate, IIM Bangalore, and Startup India, and have partnered with composting vendors and zero waste integrator across cities. With our plug and play operational model, we are ready to scale pan India. At the end of our beta testing, we are here with 20 plus units deployed with 2 lakhs in pilot sales revenue. In financial year 26, we look forward to impact 1,000 household and get 300 plus tons per month carbon dioxide emission prevented. We are launching community dashboard compost buyback for organic farmers, zero waste certification for homes and businesses. With a grant of 10 lakhs, we look forward to scale up the production with majority going to capital expenditure for molds, working capital and salaries. We want to make our unit economics positive with this. At Dostbin, we believe climate action starts at home. And we are not just offering compost bin, we are delivering verified carbon offset solution designed for every Indian kitchen. We seek equity funding to our next leap, but the grant from the WSP will be supporting us to go to that journey. We invite you to support a scalable, smart, and sustainable solution that empowers household, protects our climate, and turns everyday waste into measurable climate wealth. Thank you.